Hello students, welcome to Ahuja classes Smartness in Education. Here we are going to start the next chapter of mathematics, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. This is the first part. So here we will learn the basic concepts of linear equations in two variables and what we are going to cover in this chapter. So in this chapter we are going to cover the basic concepts, basic introductory part of linear equations in two variables. Then we will come to formulation of linear equations and their solution. In the solution part, we will learn about graphical method. Then we will come to algebraic method, which has many types of algebraic methods by which the linear equations can be solved. First is substitution method. Second is elimination by equating the coefficients. Next is cross multiplication method. Next is Next concept is that is equations which can be reduced to the pair of linear equations in two variables. So let us see in the introductory part the basic form or the standard form of linear equations in two variables. Here we know that the linear equations basically those equations which represent a line, and here we are studying about pair of linear equations. So here we will learn about the two equations which will come together and which together represent two lines, and there will be a particular pattern of those lines on the graph. So first we are talking about the general form or the standard form of a pair of linear equations. That means here two linear equations which represent a line on the graph paper will move simultaneously, will work simultaneously, or will be given together to us. So, the general form or the standard form of a pair of linear equations in two variables, suppose x and y, is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, that means the coefficients and the constant terms, these are all real numbers. And provided that a1 square plus b1 square cannot be equals to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square cannot be 0. Let us see some examples of pair of linear equations in two variables. That is 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0 and 9x minus 2y plus 8 equals to 0. Here a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 7, a2 is 9, b2 is minus 2, and c2 is 8. Let us see one more example, that is 5x equals to y. So writing it into the standard form, we get 5x minus y equals to 0. So, and second equation is minus 7x plus 2y plus 3 equals to 0, which is already in a standard form. So here, comparing the standard form, we get a1 as 5, b1 as minus 1, c1 as 0. We have a2 as minus 7, b2 is 2, and c2 is 3. We have one more equation, that is x plus y is equals to 7 and 17 equals to y. Here, let us see the possibilities of graph of pair of linear equations. Since here we are learning about the pair of linear equations, so two equations will be together on the graph. So what will be the pattern of those lines on the graph? Here we are going to see. When two lines in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can happen. When in a plane two lines are present, then following possibilities are following possibilities are can be happen. First is the two lines will intersect each other at one point. This is the first possibility. There are two lines which are intersecting each other at one point on the graph paper. Second possibility is that the two lines will not intersect, that means they will be parallel. See this graph B, here two lines are parallel to each other, that means they are not meeting at any point. Next, if the two lines are coincident, that means one line lies above the other. So in this case, the two lines will be coincident. So this was the introductory part of pair of linear equations in two variables. In the next lecture, we will learn about the formulation of linear equations in two variables and their solutions. Thank you. For more educational videos for school level and college level, like, share and subscribe to Ahuja classes on YouTube. Thank you.